Chia seeds versus flax seeds, the ultimate health showdown. Discover the ultimate showdown as chia seeds and flax seeds go head-to-head. These tiny powerhouses have gained immense popularity, each boasting unique health benefits that cater to diverse nutritional needs. Chia seeds, native to Central America, and flax seeds, cultivated for thousands of years, have captivated health enthusiasts worldwide. Their versatility and nutrient profiles make them staples in modern wellness diets. Chia seeds are slightly higher in calories, but pack a punch with their macronutrient content. Flax seeds offer a balanced profile, making both excellent additions to a health-conscious diet. Chia seeds are known for their high fiber content, promoting a feeling of fullness and aiding digestion. Flax seeds also offer substantial fiber, supporting gut health and regularity. Chia seeds are renowned for their omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. Flax seeds also provide a robust omega-3 source, contributing to overall cardiovascular wellness. Chia seeds and flax seeds both offer notable protein content, but chia seeds have a slight edge in quantity. However, flax seeds provide a more complete amino acid profile, enhancing their protein quality. Rich in antioxidants, both seeds combat free radicals. Chia seeds contain caffeic acid, while flax seeds boast lignans, which may reduce cancer risk. Their antioxidants support overall health and vitality. Packed with essential minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, both seeds contribute to bone health and energy production. Flax seeds are particularly rich in thiamine, while chia seeds offer more calcium. Chia seeds and flax seeds are excellent for weight management. Their high fiber content promotes fullness, controlling appetite, and aiding weight loss. Including these seeds in meals supports a balanced diet. Both seeds aid digestion, with their high fiber content promoting regular bowel movements. Chia seeds form a gel-like substance when soaked, easing digestion, while flax seeds support gut health with prebiotic properties. Chia and flax seeds both support heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and inflammation. Packed with omega-3s and fiber, these seeds are excellent allies in maintaining cardiovascular wellness and overall heart function. Both seeds aid bone health through their rich mineral content. Chia seeds boast high calcium levels, while flax seeds provide magnesium and phosphorus, contributing to strong, healthy bones and preventing osteoporosis. Incorporating these seeds into meals is easy. Chia seeds can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or puddings, while flax seeds are perfect for baking breads, muffins, and even as an egg substitute. Allergies to chia and flax seeds are rare but possible. It's essential to introduce them slowly into your diet and consult a healthcare professional if you experience any adverse reactions. Chia and flax seeds are generally affordable and widely available in supermarkets and health stores. However, chia seeds tend to be pricier, reflecting their growing popularity and unique nutritional profile. Chia and flax seeds have impressive shelf lives, but proper storage is essential. Keep them in a cool, dark place. Refrigeration is ideal. This helps maintain their freshness and nutrient profile over time. The environmental impact of chia and flax seeds varies. Chia is often grown in sustainable practices, while flaxseed farming can sometimes involve more resources. Opt for organic and fair trade options when possible. Taste and texture are key differentiators. Chia seeds offer a mild flavor and gel-like consistency when soaked, while flax seeds have a nuttier taste and can be ground for smooth incorporation. Nutritionists often recommend both seeds for their unique benefits. Chia's high fiber content and flax's lignans make them valuable additions to a balanced diet, enhancing overall health and wellness. Why not explore both chia and flax seeds in your diet? Experiment with recipes, discover your preferences, and share your experiences with others. Embrace the health benefits these seeds offer today.